Thank you so much, the Singh siblings. Rakola, earlier I used to think, Priyanka Chopra was one person who packed in 72 hours in a day. आप तो उनसे, you have like left her behind. She used
No,
to
I
do both.
no, I think she's definitely goals for me. I do get inspired by people who can do a lot with the given you because you have only that much time, right? Either you complain about it or you maximize and optimize your day. And yeah, I think I've always been inspired by her and but yeah, I think I still have a lot more to do.
No, but you are total goals, yeah. I mean, Aman, I'll come back to you now, but you will agree with me on this. पिछले 2 साल से she's been signing films, which is good, touch wood, and she's been working round the clock. How do you do it?
पिछले 2 साल से कोविड इन एंड आउट भी हुआ है ना, तो जो ब्रेक होती है उसमें पूरी ब्रेक हो जाती है. एंड देन व्हेन वी शूट देन आई एम लाइक लेट्स शूट बिकॉज़ यू नेवर नो व्हेन द नेक्स्ट लॉकडाउन इज गोना हैपन. बट नाउ आई एम ग्लैड दैट फिल्म्स विल स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट नेक्स्ट ईयर because we've just been shooting for the last 3 years. Literally the first year where some films were left incomplete, and then 2020 we barely shot. I just completed a few things. One film came out, but this year I have been shooting since May, June actually, non-stop. So yeah, I think I'm always very happy while working. Now just waiting for those films to come out.
Of course, they will, and I can see it on your face. And I want to ask Aman, how do you keep up with your busy sister? Yeah,
I don't.
तो पकड़ना मुश्किल है.
I don't. So I don't care. It's she is busy, and it's good to be busy. And for her, the lockdown, that 1 year lockdown was more like 10 year of lockdown, 10-year break. And yeah, I think it was the toughest time period of her life where she had to sit at home and do nothing.
But I had a routine even then.
Yeah, you will not believe that. So we were together in the lockdown, and सुबह 7 बजे मुझे कमरे के बाहर एक आवाज आती है, आओ, and she starts off, and I get up 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, yeah, what is this? Subah? She's like, Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, nahi, lockdown hai. You know what I mean? Let me sleep.
It used to not be 7, by the way. It used to be 11 a.m. I used to do my reading at 5:30 and finish everything else. And by 11, I started yoga so that you don't get disturbed with
that is later. That is I think that was 1 month after the lockdown.
My God, ये तो पूरे general साहब है यार. By the book.
पूरा general साहब.
Total. I wish she really takes after her dad that way.
Yeah. I'm a stickler for time. Like I confess that I'm a walking, talking timetable, and I have an OCD for time. So I've made peace with it that I have an OCD for time. Like even today, the interview, I told Meghna too, I said, please inform that I'm going to be 10 minutes late because I packed up late. And then I reached on time and I said, hey, I've reached. Okay, so we can, it was just 7 more minutes to my informing you at 9:15, but I was like, I've reached, so might as well.
I salute you, and more power to you, Rakul. The reason I said that, you really inspire. You might be inspired by Priyanka, but I'm inspired by you.
Oh God, thank you. That's so sweet.
Honestly, more power to you. And now talking about, I mean, though she would wake you up at 7, but देखो आप दोनों ने एक और कमाल कर दिया है, starring you. Now, whose brainchild was it, and how did it come about?
So I think I have to give Aman the credit. It was his brainchild. And the idea came out in the last lockdown, the second lockdown. And I think, he was just sitting, and then he walks up to me and he says, the world is digitizing completely, and everything is available at the click of a button, from picking up your groceries to having people pick up things for you because you can't step out. Everything is so digitized. And every other, whether it's the software world or there's a Naukri.com or a LinkedIn, but there's nothing for the film industry. And उस time वो debates भी बहुत चल रहे थे कि insider outsider, so that wasn't our aim. Our aim was just the fact to facilitate a platform which sort of connects people to their dream of having a job in the film industry. So we thought, why is the access so complicated? Because you see, in every other job now, if you want to be a doctor, you know what to do. If you want to be an architect, you know what to do. But if you want to take up a job in the film industry, there's no, oh, film school, but which one? Oh, you know, actor, but what course do I do? There's no set strategy or a set course of things to actually have a career in the industry. So we thought, why not make the access easy? And why not create something which is transparent, which gives people the opportunity to explore their talents and to explore the industry. And when we say roles in the industry, I don't just mean auditioning as an actor, but also there are so many other jobs, right? Like an assistant director, cinematographer, music writer, the budding ones, script writers, and we brainstormed, and then we sort of brought in my 10 years of experience of how on sets every day there is a requirement. Suddenly you need dancers, and you need some Russian dancer, or you need EP, and there's just so many things, right? Background people, sister, brother, मतलब actor भी चाहिए और पीछे के लोग भी चाहिए. And then there's always a dearth of good writers, young budding directors, and there's no platform. And we thought that, yeah, let's bridge that gap. And that's how Starring You happened. But it's definitely Aman's brainchild, because when he gave me the idea, I said it's a great idea, but creating an app is a big task. And I said, I don't have the bandwidth. I told him initially. And he said, no, I'm going to do it. And I said, theek hai. But he actually started doing it. And he, started doing these online courses on understanding tech, on coding, this, that, brought his team together. For a year, we've been working on this, and now it's out.
Wow. Aman, kudos. How
Thank you.
challenging was it? Since like it was your idea, the support's coming from her experience in the industry, but for the person who's designed it, then has to analyze it, put it out there, that's actually the bigger challenge.
It was, especially me coming from an arts background. Like I left science in 10th. 10th was the last class where I studied science and computers. So for me, I had to go back to basics. Like, what are the basics to make the app? What the names, and there's terms, special terms for everything. And I had to just go back and learn again. And then it was challenging, but at the same time, it was very exciting, because there was nothing what kept me going, and me giving that 100% or 200% was because I knew if the final product is ready and it is the way we have planned it, it's going to help a lot of people. And with the number of tie-ups, like when we pitched it to our tie-ups, and they were so excited, yes, you know what, do this. We also want to have a platform where we can connect with people without wasting time, without meeting them, just see their, just scroll through their bio, their work or their resumes. So keeping that in mind, all the effort or the hard work which was put, I think it was good. It was, I feel it was good that
Pooja, there's so much talent in the country, in different parts of the country, and India is a huge country filled with talent. And also a lot, we realized all of this around the same time, where the world, where everybody was putting out these digital reels and acting and dancing and doing time pass. So like, why don't we channelize all of this? Everybody, let's face it, that if given an opportunity, would love to be in front of the camera. So why not give everybody that opportunity? And yeah, like, people are anyways putting it on social media. You put it on this, you might just get spotted. And through my journey, I realized that when I moved to Bombay, the first challenge for you is to get the right information. When you get the right information, then you have to find who are the people who are doing those castings. Now, whether they're going to take your calls or not, what are the odds that you're going to get to meet them or get to audition? So here we wanted to cut all of that out. So we have tied up with people like some big casting directors, some big production houses, and our tie-ups are only going to keep increasing. So you know that the jobs that are posted are authentic and legit, and then which means the information is there, the access is there. Now you need to be good, and you need to just put it out there.
You know, this is what I wanted to ask, filtering, because aapko pata hai, Rakul's been in the industry, though, you know, you've been sheltered, you were smart, how to work your way around it. Many people are not, so they get waylaid. And
Yeah.
abhi bhi log fish ho jate hain, kisi ko kuch ho jata hai, you don't know who to trust. So are you also filtering that information, Aman?
Yes. So what happens is when a talent is coming on board, we are not filtering the talent because we want everyone to come on board.
Yeah.
But when a talent hunter, which we have two categories, talent and a talent hunter. So whenever a talent hunter is coming on board, we are giving them 48 hours to verify themselves. If they are not verifying themselves, we are disabling their account from our backend.
Wow.
So because if you don't have time, if you can't take out 5 minutes in 48 hours just to verify your company or your details, I don't think so you want to be on the platform for a good reason. So I myself am sending out mails to everyone. These are my personal mails, whichever talent hunter is coming on board, that you have a 48-hour window to send me these documents. If you fail to do so, your account will be disabled. So I don't mind less jobs or less talent hunters on the platform initially, but I want the good ones. I want who can actually provide a job to a person. Simple.
Absolutely.
I don't want them to, just come on board and just keep posting any stupid job on the platform. That's not why we created this. And we have to keep a proper check on it.
This is
And also what we've done is that all the talent that signs up cannot view each other's profiles. It's only the talent hunters that can view the talent's profiles. And in case the talent wants to be completely extra safe, they can go incognito, which means it's a completely private account. In that case, if say there's a certain job A and that talent only wishes to apply for that job A and not as an open profile, then only that A person can see his or her profile.
Yeah.
So in that way, if you don't want everyone to see, say, your audition video or whatever you are uploading, you can just keep it limited to the jobs that you're specifically applying for.
Right.
If you want to keep it open, then you keep it open. All the talent hunters can view it, and only they can message the talent. The talent cannot message them. Otherwise, they'll get bombarded by the hundreds of messages, and it'll be difficult. So the talent hunters can reach out to the talent.
This is really, because that security is the most important in the industry.
Yeah.
Rakul would agree. It's cutthroat. And sometimes I think, you come from a very sheltered family. I'm sure your parents were also worried, akeli ja rahi hai.
Yes.
How will it be? So this is commendable. So honestly, and Rakul, anything from your experience, because when you started 10 years ago, I heard you say, subah workout, fair audition, dance, dhoondna. Now, when you look back and now when you see this, would it have made your life easy? Because you struggled. You have struggled.
Yeah. I don't like to, though, use the word struggle because I feel it's got a very negative sound to it. I feel it's the...
People romanticize struggle also. Na? Yes.
Yeah, no, but it's the process because I chose this path. Like, I didn't want to go the conventional way, and the journey becomes sweet when you cherish every part or the process of the journey. When you're passionate about it, the journey itself is beautiful. But yes, having said that, I think it would have saved me a few years initially. If I had an opportunity or a platform like this where I could be spotted maybe faster, because when you move, it takes you 1-2 years to get people to know that there's this new girl who has come in town. All the casting directors, like Andheri is filled with casting directors. They don't take your calls. I mean, you are somebody, you're a model or you're whatever, they're not going to take your calls because hundreds of people call them. So I used to go and figure out what auditions happening, stand, try and do all of that. Sometimes the auditions were legit, sometimes they were not legit, all of that. Though all my in general experience was great, but it was just a lot of time. And then of course to find out the numbers of these people, like I didn't have access to a Love Films or a Pooja Films when I started straight up, you know, of their casting. So now say on Starring You, we are casting for a lead boy for a big production house, which we are not mentioning the name, but a big production house, and the lead boy casting has been routed through Starring You. So now if somebody is good and they actually apply in the right way and they complete their profiles and, you know, given the requirements that are required, now for us to get that information only उस time पे तो 5-6 महीने लग जाते थे. अरे बताओ यार कहीं कुछ हो रहा है क्या? You know, all those things. So I feel now is the digital world. I mean, come on, we're in the era of NFTs and crypto and God knows what all, which I don't even understand half the time. So it's digital. So I feel that if there's LinkedIn and there's been Naukri.com, then why not for the film industry?
Kudos, yeah. And I mean, enterprising, both of you. And I mean, as I said, I'm most impressed with Rakul. I met her 3 years ago, and hats off, honestly.
No, but this idea is my brother's, so I will give it to
No,
Aman.
I know she's being the good sister. She's being giving credit to him. She used to put up lovely posts of what she would cook for you also during the lockdown.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See? But
I cook better than her. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
I do this better. I'll give it.
No. I agree. He is a better cook. I don't have patience in the kitchen. I need to cook something which is a 30-minute thing. He'll cook for 5 hours, and it's amazing.
Awesome. But आप दोनों में से who's actually the pet at home who gets away with murder? The two of you, not murder literally.
Yeah.
I get away with anything I want. I'm telling you, I get.
I think really you get caught, bro. I get away with a lot of stuff.
I get caught and then I get away with it. Like there's no action taken on it.
Who is the family pet वैसे? लाडला. He's doing.
वही है. रखो.
वही है. No, दोनों है, but
yeah, she is more लाडली.
There's always that one child now who's like. Maybe she lives with you also.
उसका अलग होगा. Like for mom, ठीक है ना, छोटा है, and I'm like छोटा मतलब कब तक छोटा है? So mom is Aman, and I think dad would be me.
Yeah.
So sweet. A family WhatsApp group में who's the first one to start an argument?
No argument as such.
No arguments.
We don't get into arguments with parents. हाँ yes बोल देते. Just yes, okay, no. That's it.
Yeah. If my mother was to
avoid arguments as much as possible, because you know we are all separated literally. We are staying. I am staying in Hyderabad. Rakul is staying in Bombay or traveling shooting. Mom, dad are in Delhi. So there's no point fighting or arguing. We just listen. If you want to follow something, we'll take that advice. Otherwise, we'll do it our way.
So Rakul की performance का सबसे बड़ा critic कौन है घर पे?
Dad.
Really?
Dad.
Yeah.
Everyone's critic for that matter. Everyone's like app maybe also, you know, he'll download, and he was doing, when he was doing the testing, he was going through the app, and not just films, everything what we do, he has a feedback, and he will give you a genuine, honest feedback. You like it or not.
You like it or not. So I felt that this was the way you could have, like, even interviews sometimes. Even interviews sometimes, if you know you happen to say something wrong, say a wrong choice of word, I'm not kidding. I have messages that we get on the family group, kids or Rakul, you know, I felt that they could have been a better use of word there, and you know, maybe give some time for reading. And I'm like, you know, 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. where do I give time to reading now? But you know, and that's a slip of tongue that happens. It's not like you don't know the right word, but sometimes you're just so disoriented. But yeah, so he's a critic to that level, which is really good, because that puts you, that makes you aware of the mistakes or the smaller things, or you're more, you know, responsible the next time or thoughtful the next time.
If this was a live Insta live right now or a live interview, I would have got an email by now saying that this could have been better.
Well, I think that's for all parents, but amazing. But Rakul, एक बात बता, how does one keep up with you? अमन तो करेगा, अपने app पे लगा हुआ है. But how does one keep up with you?
What do you mean?
I mean, The thing is, Abhi Rakul ki ek picture now, she's shooting for another. Now, please tell me what is happening. I'm saying it in a very nice way because I'm your cheerleader.
I am also very excited for 2022, but I'm also getting confused what is coming on. So first is coming Attack, which is around Jan, and then the Runway 34, which the name has changed now. So Runway 34 is in April, which is with Ajay Sir and Amit Ji, and then Dr. G releases in June with Ayushmann. Then July is Thank God with Sid. We've announced these four. We're yet to announce the release date of Chhatri Wali, which I'm shooting right now in Lucknow.
Wow.
And my film with Akshay Sir, which is also supposed to release next year, depending on his slate of films. So these are the 6 releases in Hindi that I'll have next year. And then I have one Tamil film, which has been ready for a year. No, actually, sorry, 2 Tamil films, which have been ready, which will release at some point next year.
ये खुद का roster भूल गई देखो अमन.
नहीं मैं
But it's awesome. Rakul, I'm really honestly, because you deserve this. You honestly deserve this. It's
Thank
just amazing. So आप भी वैसे starring you में, I know everybody has access to you now. It's just you're a phone call away. But आप भी starring you में कुछ अपना कभी डालोगे?
मैं starring you में? Well, I'm promoting, I am starring you. Like, you know, like we are reading, we are accessing everything. And, you know, I mean, of course, मेरा डालना नहीं बनता. I'll be very honest here. But yes, we are checking everything. We're streamlining things. There's a back-end team that's working. We're on top of it. I'm pushing. So the whole marketing. So we've segregated, you know, the whole tech running is Aman. But when it comes to marketing and contacts, it's me. So both of us do what we are better at doing.
Awesome. More power to the two of you, and
Thank
all the
you.
very best. Yeah.
Thank you
मेरी
so
starring
much.
you मैं लोगों को बोलूंगी शायद मैं अपना ही कुछ डाल दूं यार, मुझे भी कोई मिल जाए.
हाँ डाल दो.
अपना प्रोफाइल
मेरी सोशल मीडिया पे तो होते ही हैं, डाल दो.
डाल देती हूँ, करती
बहुत
रहती हूँ.
requirements होती हैं. I'm telling you, with the digital age right now and the amount of content that is being created, so many different streaming you know, portals, the demand is immense.
ठीक है, कर लेते हैं, मैं भी promote हो जाऊंगी. चलो, but anyways, all the very best.
Thank
Lots
you
of
so
love.
thank you.
Happy New Year. What plans for New Year? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Hopefully, if
And
the flights are
no, so I have my fingers and my feet crossed because I'm shooting till 20th December and 21st I'm supposed to fly out. We're both going to London, Aman and me, but we just hope that our plans don't get affected.
मैं वहां से अभी आई हूँ, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
yeah.
Happy New Year, both of you.
Happy New Year. Thank you for having us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.